Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today lesson is present perfect tense. Let's begin our lesson. Form and structure. Step 1. Auxiliary verbs. The present perfect relies on the simple present conjugation of the verb to have as an auxiliary. For I, we, you, they, have, as plural subjects. For he, she, it, has, as singular subjects.
Step 2. Past participles. Combine the auxiliary verb with the main verb's past participle. Regular verbs append ed. Example like worked, studied. Irregular verbs change completely. Example like eat, eaten, drink, drunk. Affirmative structure, positive sentences, used to state that an experience or action has taken place. The formula, subject, plus, have, has, plus, past participle, plus, rest of the sentence.
Negative structure, used to state that an experience or action has not happened up to the present moment. The formula, subject, plus, have, has, plus, not, plus, past participle, plus, rest of the sentence.
Interrogative structure, questions, used to ask if someone has an experience or if a past action has a current result. To form a question, simply swap the position of the subject and the auxiliary verb, have, has.
How does it dynamically link the past to our immediate present reality? 3 main applications of present perfect. First one is life experiences. Example like, I have traveled to Tokyo 3 times. Second one is ongoing situation. Example like, she has lived in Rome since 2018. Third one is recent action or result. Example like, I have lost my key. Therefore she can't open the door.
Difference between present perfect and past simple. Present perfect, time period is unfinished and we focus on results. However, simple present, time period is finished. Example like, yesterday, in 1999, 10 minutes ago.
You can understand it well from these 2 examples. I've drunk 3 coffees today. I drank 3 coffees yesterday. You can see, today is not finished yet. On the other hand, yesterday is finished completely. Since versus for timeline. Since marks the starting point, when it began. For measures the duration, how long.
Examples, for and since. Follow this short note, you can understand it well.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe, like and share.